Hey guitar enthusiasts, Lauren Bateman here, and I have my ugly Christmas sweater on because we're going to be doing a Christmas song here. We're going to get bluesy with Elvis Presley's Blue Christmas. So let's get into the guitar lesson. So if you need the chord chart for this lesson, go to my website, laurenbateman.com. I'll put a link in the description below. You're going to notice we have a capo on the 2nd fret. So this song is usually played in the key of E major, and we're still going to be playing in E major. But what I'm doing is I'm using the capo to eliminate that really difficult B bar chord. So the chords now that we'll be using for this song are going to be a D major, A major, A7, we have G major, and E major. So those are the chords we're going to be using instead of having to deal with that tricky B bar chord. So I made it easier for you. Awesome. So those are the chords that we're going to be dealing with. Now this song has a very simple form. The form is just the organization of the song. So we've got a couple verses, we've got an interlude, and then we kind of have like a little outro part here. So let's go through the overall structure of this song. Let's start with the verse. So we'll start with the strumming here. So this is a blue Christmas, and I cannot sing like Elvis at all, so I'm not even going to try. We have a blues shuffle, okay? So it's a blues shuffle. It's got a little more of a swing to it as opposed to straight up 8th note, so it's still down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, but instead of going 1 and 2 and 3, hear that? It's very straight. You could do that. You know, if you're not in touch with your shuffle yet, you can just do a straight up and down. But if you want to do a shuffle is like more 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. It has a triplet feel, so it'll be more like this. So it's a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So play whatever is comfortable for you, but we're going to be using that strumming pattern for the entire song. So now let's jump into our verse and talk about the chord progression. Hey guys, real quick, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so that you'll see more lessons just like this one when I release them. Let's get into the verse. So the chord progression we're going to start off with in this verse. So we have 2 Ds, 2 As, followed by 2 A7s, 2 Ds, then followed by a D7, a D, a G, and an E. We're kind of following a blues form here. And then at the very, very end, we're going to play double E, double A7, and we're going to do something interesting on that last A7. So let's go through it. And we're just going to be doing the shuffle pattern. So here's what it's going to sound like. So it's going to be, I'll have a blue Christmas without you. Right? And now we got A7, A7 to the D chord. Now D7, decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same. To A7. Okay, so that second A7, we're just going to strum on the one beat, that down, and we're going to cut it off real quick. So the first A7 is 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 1. I'll have a blue. So after we finish that verse and that chord progression, all we're going to do is we're going to repeat the same thing over again. The only thing is there's a slight change on the very end of this second verse. So the chord progression starts the same. It's D, D, A, A. Okay, then A7, A7, D, D. No change there. Same thing, D7, D, G, E. But on this one, on the very end, we're doing A7 twice and then D twice. And on that last D, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to strum and stop. So that very last 4 chords of the second verse are A7, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 to D, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, 2, 3, 4, which takes us into our interlude and the very outro for this song. If you guys are enjoying this guitar lesson, make sure to give me a thumbs up as it helps YouTube show more of my videos to viewers just like you. Let's wrap up the song. So the next part of the song, we have an interlude. So the interlude is 2 Ds and 2 As, followed by double A7, double D, and there's no singing over this part. And then we're just going to repeat that D7, GE, so it'll be 2 D7s. Here we go. You'll be doing all right with your Christmas of white. And then it ends like we just did on that second verse, but I'll have a blue, blue, blue Christmas. We're going to do A7 twice. 1, 2, then to D. And that one you can hold out and let it ring. So that's Elvis Presley's Blue Christmas. I hope you guys really enjoyed that lesson. It's such a great classic Christmas song. Really has a lot of feel to it, and his voice is just absolutely amazing. So don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video. YouTube's gonna pop up a couple more videos over here. Go check those out, and hopefully I'll see you guys in another lesson video.